Hello, it's your good friend Susie Realtor, and I'm going to help you out today with a little information on how to pay off your mortgage early. So as a real estate broker, I know that paying off your mortgage early sounds like an impossible task, but fear not, my friends, it is not. And I have some tips for you here today to help you out. First up, making an extra payment can make a huge difference in paying down your debt. Huge difference. Huge. Even if you can make just one extra payment a year, it can shave years off the loan terms. So next time you receive a bonus or a tax refund or a little extra cash, consider putting it towards your mortgage instead of a little weekend getaway, something like that. Maybe rewind that. Another important tip is to resist the temptation. When your income increases, it doesn't mean that your spending needs to increase, okay? So I know it's really easy to fall into that trap of like wanting to upgrade your lifestyle, like that's great. But if you can keep those expenses in check, you can put that extra money towards paying off your mortgage faster, which in the end will save you a lot of money. Don't forget about those unexpected gifts. If you have the auntie that gave you a nice little check for Christmas, instead of going on that shopping spree and buying some things that are going to be out of style in a couple of months, put it towards your principal. This will not only make a dent in your mortgage balance, but it will save you so much money in the interest that you'll have to pay overall. So many good things. Just by following these little tips and staying disciplined with your finances, you can not only be on your way to paying off your mortgage early, but becoming a proud, debt-free, free and clear homeowner. How sweet is that? And you're welcome.